Is credit repair real or is it fake? Let's find out. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. I want to thank everybody for tuning in to this episode on Is Credit Repair Real or Fake? So this is something that we get asked every day, all day, every day. A lot of people, when they first contact us, especially for the first time contacting any credit repair service, you have a few concerns on if this is actually a legit experience or a legit service. Before you start paying anyone or before you start allowing anyone to kind of increase your credit score. So we have 5 steps here in order to make sure that you sign up for a real credit repair company or service, and kind of 5 steps here to kind of understand if it's real or fake. So if you're still watching this video, of course, you kind of know that the credit repair service is a real service. Because if it wasn't, I wouldn't be here standing and talking about credit repair if it wasn't real. So over here on number 1, I got service written down. So this is kind of explaining that credit repair, like I said at the beginning of this episode, credit repair is just a service. So there are multiple services out there in the world. You have a lawn care service. I pay somebody to come and cut my lawn every week because I don't have time and I don't feel like going out there and messing with it. Landscaping company. I have a buddy who owns a landscaping company. Yes, I can do all of these things myself, but if I don't have time, I'm going to pay a service or a company that offers these services to come out and do the work for me. You have car detailing businesses. You have hairstylists. You have lawyers. You have all of these different services and companies in the world to where you can do a lot of this stuff for yourself. But if you don't have time to learn how it works or you don't have time to mess around with it, then you hire a service, a professional service at that. One of the most common examples I like to give people, they call into the office and say, hey, is this credit repair company real? Very first thing I do is ask them what they had for breakfast this morning. 9 times out of 10, they say, well, I had McDonald's or I had Waffle House or something like that. That is a service. You can fix your food for free, but instead you didn't have time while you was going to work this morning. So you paid a company to provide a service for you to fix your breakfast on the way to your job or on the way to your work meeting this morning. So credit repair is just like the food service, just like the lawn care, landscaping, car washing business, hairstyling business. It's just a service. So number 1, understand that credit repair is not something that you cannot do on your own. So if you have anybody out there that's telling you they can do something that you cannot do, run far away, because that is wrong. A credit repair company is just providing a service that you can do yourself. But if you don't have time to learn or have time to mess around with it, then you hire a credit repair company to do the work for you professionally. Number 2, verify the company. I scream this loud so many times. I get a lot of customers, they call into the office, hey, I got scammed by this company, which I'm gonna go down to the next thing you need to do is look at some of the reviews, but let's just stick to number 2 here of verifying the company. So people call in, hey Chris, I got scammed by this company I was signed up for. I've been paying up monthly and then they blocked me on social media, or I called and I figure out it wasn't a real company and I paid all of this money up front and I got scammed. So the very first thing you need to do once you figure out that credit repair is just a service, is just something that someone is doing for you that you can do for yourself, but you don't know how, you don't have time, or you just don't want to mess around with it. So you need to verify that the company is legit. You need to verify that the company is licensed and registered. Depending on the state that that company is in, you can go to the Secretary of State and make sure that they are a licensed and registered state. So for example, Sturgis Credit Repair is registered in Louisiana, and you can go to Louisiana Secretary of State and search Sturgis Credit Repair to find out that we are a legit and real business. So that's the first thing you want to do. You can also go to Google and just type the company name. Make sure the business pops up on Google. So that's step number 2, is just verifying that the company is real. It's not just somebody on Facebook saying I can fix credit, because 9 times out of 10, they don't know what they're doing. Number 3, review the details of the company. Figure out how this company works. You need to figure out how much they're charging per month. You need to figure out how long this takes. For example, if they're charging you hundreds of dollars up front, or they're saying I can fix your credit in 1 week or 24 hours, it's fake. It's a scam. Credit repair does not work like that. So you need to review the details of the company, make sure it even sounds legit before you even call them or sign up for them. So if you go to SturgisCreditRepair.com, I have a page right there. As soon as you click the home page, in the subtitles, you're going to see credit repair details. You can view all the information about our company. If you're on social media and you ask who can repair your credit, and everyone just comment, DM me, or I'm going to DM you, you want to stay far away from that person. They cannot advertise their prices on a public page, because 9 times out of 10, they're telling you a different price than they're telling somebody else. So you want to make sure that their website is transparent. There's no hidden fees. Everything that you are paying them is highlighted on their website. So you need to review the details of the company. Number 4, Credit Repair Organizations Act. This goes back to number 3 of reviewing the details of the company. So in the Credit Repair Organizations Act, you may also see this as CROA, which stands for Credit Repair Organizations Act, in case you didn't know. These are the rules and laws that credit repair organizations have to follow. For example, a credit repair organization cannot charge you thousands or hundreds of dollars up front before they even see your credit report. For example, why would I charge you money up front and I haven't even seen your credit scores? I haven't seen your reports. I don't even know if you even need credit repair. So before you sign up for any company, understand the Credit Repair Organization Act laws. You can do that by going to SturgisCreditRepair.com, clicking the Credit Repair Details page, and I have a link of all of the Credit Repair Organization Act laws on the website there. So they cannot charge money up front. Our service is 100% free the very first month, so we don't begin charging until month number 2. That's if you want to stay enrolled that long. They cannot advertise fake promises or fake results. So I can't go on our social media page or our website and make an ad that says, oh, I can fix your credit in 1 week, or I can repair all of your negative items on your credit scores in 24 hours. It's fake. Credit repair is impossible to fix your credit in 1 week or 24 hours, especially after you ruin or destroy your credit scores for multiple months or multiple years. It's impossible to fix your credit scores in 24 hours in 1 week. You can see many of those ads. That's just like getting an email that says, hey, enter in your banking, routing, and account number, and we will give you a free $2 million because you just become a lucky winner. So it's fake. You cannot increase your credit scores in 1 month or 1 week, whatever that they advertise on Facebook. It is a month-to-month process. So no one can even guarantee that because they have not seen your credit report. So you want to be sure you understand the Credit Repair Organization Act laws. Number 5 is reviews. This goes back to number 2 of verifying the company, but this is a little tricky because there's so many misunderstandings out there. Luckily, the way I market my business, I avoid a lot of bad review customers. I guess that's the right word, because I sit down and explain exactly how the process works. I explain the differences between real companies and fake companies to where in the future, I don't get headache customers or customers who don't understand or signed up for a service that wasn't true from the beginning. Therefore, I don't get 1-star reviews. It's just, you just avoid all of that just by being an honest person up front. So you want to verify the reviews of the company. So if you see stuff like 1-star reviews, oh, I paid this company up front and they didn't do anything for me, and they stole my money, they don't answer phone calls, the business just disappeared, stay away from that. Now, there's a twist to it. If you notice on all of these credit repair company reviews on Google, you will see a lot of reviews from people who just don't understand how credit repair works. So I've read some reviews that said, I'm leaving this company on 1-star because I signed up a week ago and my credit score didn't go up. Again, it's impossible to increase your credit scores in 1 week. So if you don't sit down, put all of this stuff on your website and talk to people before you even sign them up, by all means, you're going to get 1-star reviews that aren't really real reviews. It's just from people who don't understand that you can't increase their credit scores in 1 week. I've seen some reviews that were 1-star that said, I called this company yesterday and they didn't even call me back. I'm leaving them a 1-star review. That goes back to having a good website. You want to have an option on your website to where, customers can go in and schedule a phone consultation. So you call them at the time they want to be called, or they can email you, or they can message you on social media or something like that, to where you can avoid the reviews from people saying, I'm leaving them a 1-star because they didn't call me back. However, I did see the owner of that company respond to that message. So come to find out, the customer called after business hours and the company just haven't had time to call them back the very next day. So again, that's a 1-star review that's pointless because the customer called after business hours. Of course, those people at that company are probably at home with their family by then, and they're calling the credit repair company at 10 o'clock at night. Of course, they're closed. So you want to review the reviews, but only the reviews that make sense about a company scamming them or something like that. If it comes to someone's just mad because their score didn't increase in 1 week, or the company didn't answer their phone call after business hours, ignore those reviews and just, decide which company works or sounds best for you based on all of these 5 things here. If you do everything correctly, you're not going to be scammed. Credit repair is a real business. It's a legit business. It's not going anywhere no time soon. There's many credit repair companies out there. Again, this is just a service you can do yourself. But if you don't know how, don't have the time, can't do it professionally, or don't want to take months to learn the next step versus just clicking an online dispute button that says this account isn't mine, that does nothing, but that's for a different video. If you don't have time for all of that, hire a professional to do this work for you. So that is all on Is Credit Repair a Real Company? I hope this information helped anyone out there who have any concerns or is hesitant on enrolling into anyone's credit repair company out there, not just Sturgis Credit Repair, but any company that's out there. If you have any concerns, just make sure they're a legit company, make sure they're registered with the state that they're in, and you'll be okay on not getting scammed with any fake credit repair person that's on social media or some yard sign you saw on the side of the road or something. So that is all for this episode. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to us at SturgisCreditRepair.com or email or call us, and we will be sure to answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.